Do you want to learn how to add numbers super fast?
Teacher Anika.
What is 5 plus 4? Let's begin by finding the bigger number. Which one is bigger? Is it 5 or 4? That's right. 5 is bigger. So we'll keep the bigger number, which is 5, in our head. Can you say 5 in my head? Excellent! Now let's put 4 in our hand. Great! Now let's add the number in our hand to the number in our head. We'll start counting from the next number after 5. Ready? Let's count together. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay! 5 plus 4 equals 9. Great job, everyone! You're all doing so well. Let's practice. What is 3 plus 7? 7 in my head, 3 in my hand. Let's add the number in our hand to the number in our head. We'll start counting from the next number after 7. Ready? Let's count together. 8, 9, 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. You're doing fantastic. Let's practice some more. What is 6 plus 2? 6 in my head, 2 in my hand. We'll start counting from the next number after 6. Ready? Let's count together. 7, 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Let's try another one. What is 5 plus 5? 5 in my head, 5 in my hand. Ready? Let's count together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Great job! It's quiz time. Let's see how well you've learned to add numbers. Remember to keep the bigger number in your head and the smaller number in your hand. Here's the first question. What is 2 plus 6? Remember, keep the bigger number in your head and the smaller number in your hand. What is 2 plus 6? You're right. It's 8. Great job. What is 1 plus 7? What is 1 plus 7? That's right. It's 8. What is 4 plus 3? What is 4 plus 3? That's right. It's 7. What is 7 plus 3? What is 7 plus 3? That's right. It's 10. What is 6 plus 4? What is 6 plus 4? Right, it's 10. I hope you learned something new today, kids. Remember, when adding numbers, always keep the bigger number in your head and the smaller number in your hand. Keep practicing your addition, and soon you'll be a math whiz. Have a wonderful day, everyone! If you had fun, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more cool stuff like this, make sure to click the subscribe button and ring the magic notification bell so you never miss a new adventure. Until our next adventure together, keep being curious and exploring the world around you. See you soon!
Teacher Anika.